Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great, amazing tech video. And the video of today, it's all about the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Finally, it's here. Well, we are having the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and to be honest, as officially announced, and it's really kind of great and amazing drone out there with a lot in the greatness throughout the spec. Now today we're gonna just have an overview throughout the DJI and what's happening with this drone, because I'm still waiting to put my hands on it and see those kind of features, man. I just can't wait to put my hands on it. And I'm planning to get with the RC controller, which it will be much better. But if we can't get through the RC controller, the one which has display, well, we'll go with the normal standard one, but still it will be really kind of great. Now, for further talking or further ado, let's get started on this video of today. Well, let's be honest, the DJI Mini 3, where is it? DJI, where's the Mini 3 without the Pro version? It's like having cooking a food and not giving it salt, and the other one you give it full ingredient. Well, we got the food with full ingredient. It's nice, but it's pricey, and we wanted the food without salt. We can add our own salt to our own self, but still, well, we didn't get the DJI Mini 3. I thought that we will get the DJI Mini 3. From the last video, I just shared my thoughts about the DJI Mini 3. Well, today we are getting the Mini 3 Pro. To be honest, it's a really kind of dope and amazing kind of drone. It's really sparking. It's really top notch. I like the way the camera tilts to get the vertical videos. That's a lot of content creators, they're waiting for that. And not only that, does it mean that, well, the normal horizontal videos which we had, are they like gonna be a little bit less known? Each kind of video plays its own kind of role throughout the aspect ratio, and I think it's really kind of nice to just get creative more throughout the field and understanding how you can get throughout the controls, and I kind of vibe with it, to be honest. Another kind of stuff which I think it's really kind of top notch throughout this drone, it's the way they maintain their portability. Well, to be honest, a lot of people, they thought that this kind of drone might be a little bit heavy. It won't be 249 grams, it might be more out of it, but still DJI managed to keep it 249 grams, which on the weight, it's really dope. And another kind of stuff which a lot of us we are waiting for is the more battery, more flight time. It's really dope. So getting a lot of flight time through this drone, man, it's really spontaneous. Another kind of stuff which it's really kind of dope through this drone, it's more flight time. 34 minutes flight time. It's really kind of top notch, to be honest. We have seen it on the DJI Mini 2 having a little bit kind of less throughout it, but having more flight time. Still, the DJI Mini 2 flies really perfectly, really good. 30 minutes, it's top notch. I like it. Dope. Another kind of stuff which it's really top notch, the obstacle avoidance. I kind of vibe with it. I love it because obstacle avoidance has been crazy throughout the DJI Mini, and I think it's really kind of top notch to add it on the ingredient. Having obstacle avoidance, it's really top notch. That's really great throughout this drone. Another kind of stuff, it's been able to record videos up to 4K 60 frames per second, and another kind of stuff which it's so dope, you can record HDR video up to 4K 30 frame rates per second, which it's bananas. And you can even shoot the video to true vertical shooting, which it's really great. Focus tracked, active track, spotlight, and point of interest, those are must have throughout the Mini, and they're really great. Another kind of stuff, master shots, they're really playing in handy, which it's dope, and the time lapse, which it's really bananas throughout this drone, which it's really great. Now when it comes to photography, well, I kind of vibe with this drone because you can get 48 megapixel photo, and you can even get the RAW, which it's really top notch. You can even squeeze in, zoom in, get your shots, get your videos, and they're really still really looking dope. Now this kind of DJI Mini 3 Pro covers a lot of Mini 2 which they're supposed to be having, but we understand different version and give us some more updates throughout these kind of ingredients, it will be much better. Another kind of stuff which I wish they could be having it and coming up on the next one, or if it's a software update, because I didn't see on the video on the keynote, it's the way that you see the camera, how my camera it is right now, that slowness, if you can control the tilt. I didn't put my hands on the drone, I'm waiting for it. When I get it, we will try it out. It's like tilting the camera slowly to go vertical. You know those kind of moment whereby you just tilt to get cinematic this way, and you're like, man, this is crazy to be very, very dope. I kind of like, man, what's happening with this cinematic? It will be really, really super dope. It's like having a gimbal and you try to rotate it in throughout vertical to horizontal. You know those kind of smoothness it goes crazy. So I kind of like the way the coloring on the video side it is, because you get to see much detail throughout the video, and that kind of hassle of editing and putting a lot of color grading, it might be going a little bit lower depending on you, how much you want throughout your video to colorize it. And I think giving it more shine, it's really, really top notch. So I kind of vibe with that. So yeah, another kind of stuff which I like about this drone, the DJI Mini 3 Pro, it supports memory card up to 512 GB. Bananas, this is dope, because you can store bunch and bunch of footage, and later on you know what to do with them. It's really kind of great to be having a bigger storage capability throughout this drone, and it's really kind of awesome. I kind of like say right now we're heading for almost like 1 TB of SD card storage to slap them on our drones, and going outside for an adventure, you just want to get bunch and bunch of footage, and those kind of footage, just know they are really high res. And right now we might be saying, okay, it's fine for photographers and for those people who are editing much, no more JPEG. Let's stick with the RAW, because RAW gives you more details and more adjustment throughout your video, which is kudos for that. But for the people who are just normal users, I think the JPEG still does best too. It's quite awesome. So I think throughout this kind of drone, to be honest, on the storage side, it's really kind of dope. I kind of like it. It's really kind of awesome. 512 GB of storage recommended. I'll leave a link down below to the website so you can see all the recommendation of the SD card which are supported, and it's really kind of dope. So that's what's up, guys, about the video of today. It was a heads up that they announced this kind of drone. It's really kind of perfect. I'm waiting to put my hands on it, and I'll share with you guys the video, and that's what's up, and experience the new kind of DJI Mini 3 Pro, keeping it to 249 grams and still sticking with the basics and still sticking with the pros, adding ingredient on the drone, slap it around, keeping it much better and make it better for the content creators. So shout out to you, DJI, for making this kind of dope and amazing drone out there. Can't wait for me to experience it on my vlogs and even on adventures and even outside the city to just know what's happening with the drone. So that's what's up, guys. Catch you guys on the next one. And for the people who are new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, catch you guys on the next one, and peace.